Hello everyone, this is the video related to class 12 syllabus and the chapter is human diseases, and in this section we will be discussing about malaria and life cycle of malaria. Disease. What is a disease? Disease is any deviation from or interruption of normal structure and function of any part of the body. It is expressed by a characteristic set of signs and symptoms, and in most instances, etiology, pathology, and prognosis is known. Human beings are prone to a wide variety of diseases. These diseases can be broadly classified into three categories, that is, communicable or infectious diseases, non-communicable, and genetic disorders. Mainly, we talk about two types of diseases, that is, communicable or infectious diseases. These are the diseases which are communicated from sick person to healthy person, and infection occurs when harmful organism known as pathogen invades the body. Next type of diseases, just now I told you students, that is non-communicable. They are not communicated from one person to another. Communicable diseases, if we broadly talk, they are caused by bacteria, viruses, and protozoan. Malaria is also one of the communicable diseases which is caused by a protozoan which is called as Plasmodium. Introducing malaria. Malaria, of all the contagious diseases caused by protozoans, they are the smallest type of animal life, have unicellular body construction. Many diseases are caused by these organisms, and malaria is one of them. Malaria is the most destructive for man. Earlier, malaria was thought to be caused by the foul gases emanating from marshes, hence the disease was called malaria. Later, in 1877, Ronald Ross observed that the disease is transmitted by mosquito bite, and in 1880, Alphonse Leveran discovered acute causative agent of malaria. Now it is well known that the disease is caused by malarial parasite, that is Plasmodium species, and later I will tell you what are the various species of Plasmodium and what are the different types of malaria that are caused by them. So let us proceed further. There are mainly four major types of malaria, that is benign tertian, malignant tertian, quaternion, and ovale tertian, caused by Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium malariae, and Plasmodium ovale. But there are other species of malaria also, as we can see in the images and the diagrams given alongside. Now we will learn about infection of malaria. Infection is transmitted to a healthy person by bite from the Anopheles mosquito. Signs and symptoms are caused by the presence of erythrocytic stage of the parasite in the blood cells. Schizons burst in the red blood corpuscles, releasing merozoites and a pigment hemozoin in the blood plasma. Hemozoin is said to be toxic and it induces high fever and shivering. So, the symptoms of malaria are as follows. Symptoms: high fever in benign tertian and ovale tertian. Outbreak of fever occurs every other day in cotton, every third day, whereas in malignant fever is irregular, occurring almost daily. Secondly, headache and nausea. Third, muscle pains. Fourth, bouts of fever with shivering attacks. Shivering attacks usually don't occur in malignant tertian. These are the symptoms of malaria. Next, prevention and treatment. Prevention of infection by the use of mosquito nets, as we know that it is caused by bite of Anopheles mosquito. Preventive drugs like quinine and control of vectors. Keep the patient warm, bed rest and intake of plenty of fluids are recommended. Use of anti-malarial drugs like chloroquine, metformin, paramequine, etc. are also suggested during the phase of malaria. Next, we will see the life cycle of malarial parasite, that is Plasmodium. Dear students, in this section we will study about life cycle of malaria, and it is to inform you that in our ISC syllabus graphic outline of life cycle of Plasmodium is to be learned. So let us start with the life cycle of Plasmodium, as you can refer with the diagram also given alongside. Life cycle of Plasmodium requires two hosts for completion. Such a two-host life cycle is called as digenetic. Now, number one, life cycle of Plasmodium in man. Infection of man. The infective stage of Plasmodium is a minute organism called sporozoite. When the mosquito bites man, sporozoids present in the salivary gland of female Anopheles mosquito are injected into the blood of the man. Next, structure of sporozoid. These are spindle-shaped or sickle-shaped and uninucleate organisms capable of wriggling movement. Each sporozoid consists of elastic pellicle cytoplasm and nucleus. Next, pre-erythrocytic schizogony. Schizogony is an asexual reproduction in which schizoid is formed from the human blood. Sporozoids enter the liver cells, that is hepatocytes or parenchymal cells, grow in size to become a rounded schizon called as cryptozoites. The latter divides to form cryptomerozoites. The merozoites are asexual haploid forms. The host liver cell ruptures to liberate cryptomerozoites into the liver. Cyanoids spaces in the liver filled with the blood. Next phase is exoerythrocytic schizogony. The cryptomerozoites formed during pre-erythrocyte may enter the human RBCs to start erythrocytic schizogony, while some of them enter liver cells to repeat hepatic schizogony. This phase of liver cycle that goes on along with erythrocytic cycle is called as exoerythrocytic schizogony. Next is erythrocytic schizogony. In this, the erythrocytes RBC is called erythrocytic schizogony. When cryptomatozoites enter human RBCs, it passes through following stages, that are trophozoite stage and amoeboid stage. Next is life cycle of Plasmodium in female Anopheles mosquito. Ingestion of gametes by mosquito first takes place, that is when a female Anopheles mosquito sucks the blood of infected human host. It receives RBCs containing different stages of erythrocytic cycle, as we have studied earlier, including the gametocytes. In the stomach of the female Anopheles mosquito, all the stages except the gametocytes are digested. The gametocytes come out of the RBCs into lumen, that is cavity of the stomach of the mosquito. Gamogony or gametogony. The formation of gametes is called gamogony. It occurs as follows in the stomach of female Anopheles. We have seen that are in the stomach. The male gametocyte divides and forms 6 to 8 long motile whip-like macrogametes, that is male gametes. The female gametocytes does not divide but undergoes the process of maturation to become the macrogamete, that is female gamete. The macrogamete forms cone of reception to receive microgamete. Then the process of fertilization it takes place. Fertilization, a microgamete penetrates a macrogamete through its cone of reception, and fertilization it occurs, and the formation of zygote it takes place. The zygogony and angiosperm as uniting male and female gametes are dissimilar. Next is Sporobody, the formation of sporozoites. The nucleus of oocysts divides first by meiosis and subsequently by mitosis, forming a large number of small haploid nuclei at the same time. The cytoplasm develops large vacuoles. The tiny nucleus and cytoplasmic masses form elongate the spindle-shaped bodies. They are called as sporozoites. When mature oocyst fractures, the sporocytes are liberated in the hemocoel, that is body cavity, which is filled with blood of the mosquito. Being motile, the sporozoites move to different organs in the body cavity of the mosquito, but many of them penetrate the salivary glands. The mosquitoes now become infected when the female Anopheles mosquito bites a healthy person. The sporozoites are injected in his/her blood along with the saliva of Anopheles. These sporozoites start the cycle again in human body, as we can see in the diagram given alongside. So, sporozoites are the infective stage. Incubation, as mentioned, the symptoms of malaria, they first appear about 14 days after infection of the malarial parasite, that is Plasmodium vivax. This interval of time is known as incubation period. And during this period, the parasites, they multiply to increase their number and so that they can produce more enough toxin to cause malaria, and this is how the life cycle of malaria is completed.